In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Gmail formatting. If your emails keep showing up with strange fonts, uneven sizes, or text that just won't behave after you paste it in, this quick walkthrough will get everything looking clean and consistent. First, let's reset the text style inside your draft. Open the message you're working on, then select all the text so we can apply changes to everything at once. On Windows, press Ctrl+A. On Mac, press Command+A. With everything highlighted, look at the formatting toolbar at the bottom of the Compose window and click the A icon. That opens Gmail's formatting controls. Now, change the font to any different option and then switch it right back to the one you actually want. This simple swap forces Gmail to refresh the underlying style and clear out any hidden formatting that may have hitched a ride when you copied and pasted from another app. While you're in that same formatting panel, choose one font and one size for the whole message. Keeping it consistent is key. It tells Gmail, use the same style everywhere, so you don't end up with a mix of headings, body text, and random sizes from other documents. After you've set your preferred font and size, you can unselect the text and continue typing as normal. This reset is a reliable way to normalize spacing, alignment, and character styles without retyping your message. Next, make sure you're not composing in plain text mode. Plain text strips out all styling, no bold, italics, color, or font sizes, and it can make your formatting options disappear or look grayed out. To check this, click Compose to open a message window. Then click the three dots in the lower right corner of the Compose box to open the More Options menu. Look for Plain Text Mode and make sure it is not selected. If you see a check mark next to it, click it once to uncheck it. As soon as Plain Text Mode is off, your formatting toolbar should behave normally, and any styles you apply will actually show. To recap, highlight all your text, open the formatting controls with the A icon, switch the font, and switch it back to trigger a refresh. Then pick one font and one size for the whole email. And before you format, confirm that plain text mode is turned off so Gmail can display your styles correctly. With these two fixes, your Gmail messages should look clean, professional, and consistent every time.